Bugsy on the beat, bitch. Big fat boots hanging off of my earlobe.
How about we go get you some? Look at the
How about we actually stand in line instead of cutting? No. How about we just jerk?
Big fat boots hanging off of my earlobe. Stick looking like I fell on the elbows. Big fat boots hanging off of my earlobe. Big fat boots hanging off of my earlobe. Big fat boots hanging off of my earlobe.
We a threat, throw a punch, get 3 pack. We a threat, People asking what's next. If you really wanna know, just step to the time. Murder it. People keep on asking what's next. If you really wanna know, sick and tired of these cats. Relax your back, you ain't ready for these heavy skills that I will extract and back. Your girl, yep, I will take that. She let me keep her dizzy cause she's spinning all her stacks. OMG, I am so cocky. Things different, oh, you gon' stop me. I believe I'm flying high, from here you a blur G. I'm a side of royalty, you were just a turd, please.
B54, I'm a beast and you know it. You my friend in my face, but you hate me and I've noticed. Jinkies the realest and you hate it. Every time we rap, we see your faces, you get intimidated. Your breath funky cause all you do is talk. Don't get mad, man, I'm staging the hobby like Tony Montana. I'm all about my cheddar, I'm a king, I piss on haters who call me Chris Webber like.
We a threat, throw a punch, get 3 pack. We a threat, haven't seen the best of us yet. We a threat, people asking what's next. If you really wanna know, just step to the time. Murder it. People keep on asking what's next. If you really wanna know, step to the team boys, homie. What's good? Get some, see me, Brody. I ain't never had a hater hate on me, sonny. Every time they hate, they usually want more from me. Get it? See, I am so fresh, it's like I'm bathing a pine star. Think it's really with him, has anybody told y'all? I know we a threat, so you gon' see the best show. Drink up, I'll end it every time like that, so.
A lot of squares in your circle, I ain't talking about waffles. Talking about beef stick to putting it in tacos. Nah, you ain't stopping neither. I'm a reject down the road, tell the rider. G got a few haters, but way more fans. I'm a well-known jerk, and I barely do the dance. I'm a man of steel. You something like the glass man, break you down to pieces and throw you in the trash.
We a threat, throw a punch, get 3 back. We a threat, haven't seen the best of us yet. We a threat, people asking what's next. If you really wanna know, just step to the time. Murder it. People keep on asking what's next. If you really wanna know,
I'm a threat, you don't wanna get put to this SAT test. Rap without me is like Packers with no bread. I'm a beast like B54, put me in the cage, no Petco. Y'all dudes are just tickling like Elmo. Y'all know you subbing elbow, y'all just out of style, something like Velcro. You just with a banging without a gang, no gang bang. You just apple trying to catch up to the cinema.
Yo, what's happening? Jinx, what's happening? We gon' keep running this, we don't believe in stamina. Feel like I got more haters than the Lakers fans like they're great. And I ain't talking about this place.
Stop hating on me, you see everyone remembers me. What the hell you do to put a piercing in their memory? You a part of the wind when the wind blows, so keep your backpack just in case it's time to go. We a threat.